In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of navigating Temu and getting the support you need efficiently. Whether you're new to the platform or just needing a refresher, following these steps will ensure you can access help seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Temu. Opening your preferred web browser, type in the URL for Temu, which will bring you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the website, you'll be able to see a well-organized and user-friendly interface designed to make your browsing experience as smooth as possible. Next, let's focus on locating the support section, an invaluable resource for addressing any concerns or questions you might have. On the homepage, look for a tab or link labeled Support. This is typically situated at the top of the page, but depending on recent updates or versions, it might also be found in a drop-down menu or at the footer of the website. Clicking on Support will take you to a dedicated page. You'll find a comprehensive list of help topics here, effectively catering to a wide range of inquiries and needs. These topics are thoughtfully organized to ensure you can quickly find relevant information. Whether you're seeking answers to technical issues, account questions, or general guidance about using Temu, the support section is where you'll find structured solutions. Take your time to explore the different categories available, as this can often lead you to discover faster answers to your questions. Be attentive to the options provided within each help topic. Many topics will offer step-by-step guides similar to this one, and they may even include visuals or frequently asked questions that can provide additional clarity. Don't hesitate to use the search bar if available. Inputting specific keywords related to your issue can quickly streamline the process of finding the exact help topic you need. And there you have it. After successfully navigating through these steps, you should now be able to handle your concerns efficiently through Temu's support system. Remember, having access to support when you need it is key to ensuring that your interaction with Temu is positive and productive. Thank you for joining me today. By applying these straightforward actions, you've empowered yourself to tackle any questions or issues you might encounter on Temu. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to bookmark this video for future reference, and feel free to share it with others who might need a hand. Until next time, happy browsing and troubleshooting on Temu.